Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel video related to education and motivation. In this video covering most important one linear question and answer with general knowledge. Those students preparing the competitive exam like banking, railway, SSC must watching the video. Let's start now. First question: veteran desk comedian Ken Shimura passed away due to coronavirus. The answer is Japanese. Second one, which of the following company has launched a new dedicated app and website for a user across the US? Answer is Apple. Third one, all National Skill Training Institute have been rated by the desk as a quarantine center to fight the spread of novel coronavirus. And the answer is Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Fourth one, which of the following state government has set up mobile handwash facility for the benefit of slums that are amidst a lockdown in the state? The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Fifth one, the Defense Research and Development Organization has designed a equation bag to transport or isolate person infected with COVID-19. Where is the headquarters of DRDO? The answer, New Delhi. Sixth one, the Olympic Games Days 2020 has been postponed by 1 year and will be held from 30 July to 8 August 2021. The answer, Tokyo. Seventh one, which of the following state of India recently set up Modi Kitchen? The answer, Tamil Nadu. Eighth one, Dash Inc. partner with ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited to introduce COVID-19 protection insurance cover. The answer, Bharat Pay. Which state has launched a mobile app program to issue e-pass? The answer, Jharkhand. Then, what is name of the Lengadari, a historian and educationist who recently passed AON? The answer, Arjun Dev. 11. Who among the following found the International Transgender Day of Visibility? Answer, Rachel Kandal. 12. On which day Odisha celebrates Uttkal Divas every year in the memory of the formation of the state of separate province? 1st April. 13. Which of the following the International Transgender Day of Visibility observed globally? 31st March. Which of the following digital payment service provider has partnered with Bajaj Alliance General Insurance for NUC coronavirus hospitalization insurance policy called Corona Care? Answer, PhonePe. Name of the RBI Deputy Governor whose tenure was recently extended by 1 year? The answer, BP Komango. 16. Name of the Padma Shri Award of farmer Hazuri Ragi at the Golden Temple who passed away after testing positive COVID-19? 17. A team of Indian Institute of Technology has deployed a drone to sanitize large areas such as road, park, footpath to prevent spread to COVID-19. The answer, Guwahati. Name of the person who has become new managing director of Sudaram House Finance? Answer, Lakshmi Narasimha Doraiswamy. 19. A biosuit named a personal protective equipment has been developed by Defense Research and Development Organization. 20. Name of the public sector bank which listed green bond 100 billion on the BSE and the International Exchange? Answer, State Bank of India. 21. Which of the following organization has offered 1 million to Indian government for a proposed India COVID-19 emergency response and health system preparedness project? The answer, Paralbe. 22. The National Dock Quarter Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh has designed a portable multi-feet dash manifold to supply oxygen to multiple patients at the time. The answer, Oxygen. 23. Name of the official COVID tracking app has been recently launched by the Government of India. Answer, Arogya Setu. 24. Name of the 24. Name of institution which has been partnered with ICICI Security to launch the incubation program, the Fintech Startup, IIM of Bangalore. 25. Name of the person who has been conferred with Hero to Animal Award by animal rights body, People of Ethical Treatment of Animals in India. The answer, Naveen Patnaik. 26. Which state government has to launch the online culture competition of collaboration with the UNICEF? The answer, Odisha. 27. In which of the following states have the V-shaped tunnel has been installed to sanitize people from any possible bacteria and other micro within 20 seconds? The answer, Jharkhand. 20. The National Health Authority has designed an agreement with which company to provide transportation service to public health care workers who are involved in the treatment of COVID-19 patients? The answer is 29. On which day International Mind Awareness Day is being observed globally every year? Answer, 4th April. Which of the following institution has developed a low-cost portable ventilator called as Pranavayu in association with IIM's Rakise? The ventilator is applicable all age group patients. The answer is IIT Roorkee. Thank you everyone watching this video. Thank you everyone.